Meet our Euroboor Eco 50 Plus T mag drill, suitable for cutting up to 2 inches. And due to its forward and reverse feature and adjustable speed, also great for tapping. It has a powerful motor and a mechanically adjustable 2-speed gearbox. Its Morse Taper 2 spindle gives you great versatility and makes it easy to change between the different connections. Because it's a plus machine, it's equipped with many safety features, significantly reducing the risk of damage to your machine, your tool, your workpiece, and most importantly, to the operator. For jobs that require both drilling and tapping, this powerful machine is a must-have for every professional. Just like the Magic Stick, so cleaning up isn't such a chore. If you're ready to raise your drilling and tapping jobs to a higher standard, get your Euroboor Eco 50 Plus T at pentoolco.com today.